Hi friends! So I'm going to go ahead and go over our words of the week. Now this week they're a little bit tricky, so I'm going to do the best I can at explaining them. And maybe your mommies or your daddies can show you some examples around your house, okay? Alright, so the first one over here is this green chameleon. So the word for this week is change. Change. Chameleons can change colors. So if they're on something green, they'll turn green. If they're on something brown, they'll turn brown. And it helps them not be seen, okay? So a chameleon changes. Change. Change. All right, look over here where the tape, the lady is removing. So removing, taking off. Taking off. So look, remove. I'm going to remove my phone case. Remove, okay? Let's see. I also have some sunglasses. I can remove the sunglasses. Remove, take off, remove. Down here with the balloons, we have all the same colors, but this red one, the red balloon is different. So we have all the same balloons, and our word is different. Different. It means not the same. Different. All right, so look, we have a baby. This is a baby. Another word for baby is infant. 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 And then look right here. This is a child. You guys are child. You're children. Children, child, so little kids. And then this big guy right here is an adult. So mommies and daddies are adults. You and your brothers and your sisters are children. Okay, so we start out as babies, as infants, and then we become children, and then we become adults. Why don't you practice naming the different people in your house? All right, we have lots of shapes here, okay? So we have what's this orange one right here? Triangle, a triangle. And look, there's an arrow. I hope you can see it. Oh, there's an arrow. I don't know. There's an arrow at the top of the triangle right here. Where the triangle meets is called a point. So like a triangle has a point here. There's a point right here in the corner, and then there's a point over here in this corner. Point. Okay. Then we have this blue shape down here. This blue shape is a rectangle. Rectangle. And there's a dark black line at the top, and that is called the side. There's a side of a rectangle. Side. So all the shapes on this page, they all have points where they meet. And then they all have sides. Sides. Okay? And then let's see. This green shape right here is a trapezoid. Trapezoid. It kind of looks like a square, but the sides kind of point in a little bit. So if you can see right here, it's not straight like this. It goes in. Trapezoid. And then this one is a hexagon. It kind of looks like a stop sign, but it's a little different. So this is a hexagon, and it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides. Hexagon has 6 sides. 6 sides. Okay? All right, friends, thanks so much for looking at the words of the week. Keep practicing and keep seeing if you can find any points, any shapes in your house. Where's the adults? Where's the infants? Look for something different. Look for anything that changes. Okay? Bye.